What is going on YouTube? AVI back with another video. And man, does it feel weird to be behind the camera again, because it's been over 2 months since I've recorded a video. But a lot has changed. I got married, we did a honeymoon, I got a new job, we got a new apartment, so a lot of change has happened. And I'm just excited to be back making videos again. So yeah, vacation's over. First video since I'm back will be a POV drive of the Mitsubishi Eclipse. Reason why, because I had a video before doing a POV drive, and that was with a bad manual transmission. This time we have a good replaced manual transmission. I had it done earlier this year. It is now December of 2023 and it's holding up strong. So yeah, this car hasn't been touched in over 2 months, and I had to like jump start it and everything. It's a little dirty, and just being on the grass here, it looks like it's been going off-roading and stuff. But yeah, the transmission works good, and let's take it for a quick drive. Here's a quick little walk around. Obviously a lot needs to be done to it, but you guys already know that. And if you guys like Eclipse content, go check out the other videos. And if you like Lightning, and what else does Sim have? I always forget. He has a lot of cars. Lightning, Kona, not the SRT, but the Laguna Seca. So yeah, check those cars out if you guys are interested, and like, subscribe, and let's get on with the drive. Just make sure the video is good for you guys. Yeah, that's fine. So yeah, 2003, has 129,000 miles, and of course it's a little cold out, but it's actually kind of nice. It's like in the 50s. So if we're going for a POV drive, we're gonna have to drop the top. So let's show you guys do it, just in case you guys didn't know. Give it a little gas. Don't want it to shut off on me, because it does take a lot of energy for some reason. Alright, so the top is dropped. Let's see if we can make it home now. And if you guys feel the need to, you guys can criticize how I drive, because I'm not a pro manual driver yet. But let's get out of this hill here. If you guys remembered when I used to like turn the wheel, it would always clink, but now we have a good smooth driving car, and it feels good to have 2 working cars. Yeah, here's the I'll probably wait for that car coming, but I'll show you guys in a minute what a good driving swapped manual transmission sounds like. Really nothing different than a good working car. Smooth shifts. We're coming at a stop sign. There's not a lot of stop signs going this way. It's a lot of just driving around. This is a new area to me, so I don't really know where the cool roads are. But yeah, nobody's coming, which is a good thing. First gear. Second gear. This does have a 5-speed, so we're gonna go into 5th, and that's like your overdrive gear. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me, so a good trick is rolling up the windows. just feels like you got the top back down, or top back up. So now I'm in a little fishbowl. But yeah, 5th gear is the overdrive gear. This is a 5-speed. The 6, where the 6 would go, is the reverse. And there's no special way to get into reverse. It's just crank it all the way to the right and down. But yeah, smooth driving. All the gears work. Going uphill, still can do it. And then we'll go ahead. We'll try and do downshifting, but like we'll try to rev match that. So 5th to 4th, yeah, I gotta remember. It's easier, I mean, because I'm new at this, but it's easier, I think, from 4th to 3rd because you just go straight down. So down, rev match downshifting. Gotta love that. With the old cars, there's no button for rev matching. You gotta do it yourself. And if you don't, then it just kind of clanks its way in, which is a little, I guess, a little not comfortable, but gotta rev match. This place is beautiful, nice paved roads, trees all around. Hopefully you guys can take a look or see. And honestly, being in the winter months with the top down, it's not that bad. Maybe that could be its own separate video. Just maybe it's doable. Front wheel drive, driving in the cold, just crank the heat on, windows up, top down. Coming in already at 8 minutes, so I know it's not exciting being in 5th gear, just driving back home, but hopefully we can get some little revs in while we're driving at slower speeds, obviously. Turn signal. 4th. Oh geez, messed up. When in doubt, go into neutral. And then lower speeds. 1st. Neighborhood, so we can't go crazy, especially when there's a speed bump. Gotta be careful here because low car problems. walking around. Should have thought of this. Well, I think we could end the video here. I think you guys seen enough of my bad driving skills in the back roads. But just wanted to put this video out there, first video since I'm back, that the transmission's working good. Car has no problems other than just having the dead battery when I got back, and it works good. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Check out the content, like, subscribe, and just like that, AVI out.